Alright, so I got a new set of tires Friday night. It's a Sunday. This is the Sunday before Memorial Day. So Friday night, I spooned on a new set of tires. These are the Michelin Road 4 GT. Yeah, I was running the Dunlop Road Sports as a giggle, just to see what I could get out of them on an 2014 Interceptor Deluxe. I got about 1,000 miles. I only ride this bike 2 up. I'm 2 up right now. And these tires feel great. But what new tires don't feel good, really? But I haven't rode on Michelin's. I haven't done the Road 4s in quite a while, a couple years, 3 years maybe. The Pilot Road 2 was my favorite. The price was insane. The price was $400. However, there was a $60 rebate. $60 is good, but not great. I liked it better when you could buy a set of tires for $200. But traffic today has been insane, so I doubt I'm going to be able to find out what these tires can do. For 10 o'clock on a Sunday morning, I've seen more traffic up here. Anywhere there's a chance to pass, there's always been oncoming traffic. But I'm about 40 miles into these tires right now, and they seriously are confidence inspiring. They're not as flickable. They don't turn in as fast as the Road Sport 2s do, or even the Bridgestone S22s. But again, they're a sport touring tire. They're not a sport tire. But that right there is how I destroy tires. We're at about 900 pounds on this bike. My wife and I, plus the weight of the bike. And every time that VTEC kicks in, it just chews a little bit more life out of any set of tires, really. I had a Concourse ABS. Well, it's been 15 years ago. I had a 2009 Concourse ABS. And my average was about 1,000 miles on a set of tires. That bike made so much power up here in the mountains that it would just destroy the sidewalls, just the edges of the tire, flicking the bike from side to side. The people behind me would say I'd leave a black trail on the road when I was going through the turns. But yeah, pretty happy with these tires so far. If you're ever up here on Tennessee 68, stop into Hammers Highway right there. They got breakfast, burgers, pizza. They're usually not too busy. The food is delicious though. There's not a whole lot out here. There's nothing out here actually. So it's nice to have a little hamburger stand where you can stop in. You're out on a ride. It's a good twisty road to get to it. It's a good twisty road leaving it. So try out Hammer's Hideaway. Tell them Ride WNC sent you. But yeah, these Michelin Pilot Road 4 GT, I'm 2 up. I've got luggage. The bike feels pretty good. I'm pretty sure I don't have any chicken strips on them. I ran those Road Sport 2s to the cords. I didn't even realize it. And that was just one ride. I had tread when we left the house. And when I looked at the bike on Wednesday, the rear tire was bald. Check out this beaver dam. Look at that beaver dam. I've never seen a beaver here though. But they do some work. They come out and they knock that dam down. And within about a week, the beaver has it built back up. Pretty impressive how hard they work. Alright, so that's my review of the Michelin Pilot Road 4 GT. I'm not going to tell you to go out and buy them because they're pricey, but they do feel good. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If it was informative, please give me a thumbs up. I do need it. And if you're in the western North Carolina area, reach out. Maybe we can go for a ride. Later.